JustETF pricing explained what you get for your money. JustETF is a platform designed to help investors research, compare and build ETF portfolios. Many people assume ETF research tools are expensive or overly complex, but JustETF offers clear, value-driven pricing. The app is free for basic features, including portfolio tracking, ETF searches and performance comparisons. Premium subscriptions start at $10 per month, giving access to advanced portfolio analysis, retirement planning tools, and personalized recommendations based on your investment goals. Higher tier plans add multi-portfolio comparisons and automated alerts for market changes. Most people get this wrong by thinking free access limits usefulness. The surprising truth is that even without premium, you can track multiple ETFs, analyze returns, and access historical data. Premium simply enhances decision-making, providing deeper insights and planning features for serious investors. For example, you could use premium features to model your retirement portfolio or compare thematics across sectors, optimizing risk and returns efficiently. The platform also offers educational resources to help beginners understand ETF investing and diversification strategies. In conclusion, JustETF pricing is clear and scalable. With free access for basic research and $10 per month for advanced analytics, it provides both beginner-friendly tools and professional-level insights. It's a practical platform for anyone serious about ETF investing.